criticized, but you refuse to give up. Bakit? Kasi we are unbeatable. We are a born champion. Nagiging champion ka na, kapatid. Na-remember mo pa ba? Yung isa ka pang sperm cell sa tatay mo. Nagiging champion ka doon. And I'm telling you this, the cell, that sperm cell that you were before sa tatay mo, is the same person you are now. You gain that power again. Because I know you are unbeatable. Kaya this time, I want you to stand up. Tayo po tayo lahat. And I want you to close your eyes this time. Gently close your eyes. And take a deep breath. And while breathing in and out, allow your mind to imagine your dreams. Ano kayang forma ng sasakyan mo? Ano kayang kulay ng bahay mo? Ilang story kaya yan? And while imagining your dreams, put your hand over your chest. Put your hand over your heart. And feel the rhythm of the heartbeat. Ramdamin mo ang pitik ng pusong yan. Ano ang sinasabi ng pitik na yan? Pumipitik yan dahil buhay na buhay ang pangarap mo. Pumipitik yan dahil excited ka na makukuha ang first car mo. Pumipitik yan dahil excited ka na makukuha ang first million mo. Dahil excited ka na magka-car. Dahil excited ka na makatravel sa iba't ibang bansa. Guys, open your eyes now. Look the people around you. Kasi ako, ikaw, tayong lahat na nandito ngayon, kaagapay nyo kami para sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap mo. Tapikin mo yung katabi mo. Kasama mo ako! Kapatid, hindi kami bibitaw. At ang pakiusap ko sa inyo, wag na wag kang bibitaw. Sobrang dami pa nating plano. We will never stop and we will continue what we have started. As long as buhay pa kami, nandito kami, willing to back you up in every step of the way as you climb the ladder of success. In fact, I'm very happy to announce ngayong gabing to na this month, fully functional na ang ating newly innovated online system. Tonight, I formally launch our new brand, the Online Business Academy! Ito ang academy na magpuproduce ng sobrang daming milyonaryo. Kaya stay with us, dream with us, kasi sobrang dami pa nating matutulungang pamilya. We will produce more millionaires, more car achievers in the years to come. Kasi naniniwala pa ako that we are unbeatable. Believe it! Live it! Because now we are making history. And this time, let us all make our dreams a reality together. This is Coach Albert, your grand mentor Albert, a proud altar boy. And I'm reminding you, you are unbeatable. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone.